Everyone, and welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the UE Red Warriors in 4 sets. We have Coach Carlo, Tommy, and Milben. Coach Carlo, congratulations for this victory. So, 3-6 na kayo ngayon. Yun nga, 3-6 kayo, pero hindi pa naman kayo malayo sa number 4. So, ano yung, right now with 5 matches remaining, ano yung mindset ng team right now?
We rarely talk about the standing. We usually talk about how we are going to improve our skills. So, most focus kami dun sa process. And if the results will go on our way, then so be it. If not, at least yung focus talaga namin is how we get to develop the team.
Thank you. To Tommy, you have 14 attacks, 1 block, 13 extra interceptions, and 17. So sabi nga ni Coach Carlo, it's all about the process. Being second-year player, syempre, ito, yung may mga rough patches tulad ng mga nangyayari in decent games. So ano yung iniisip mong mindset pa, syempre, mag-improve kayo?
Siguro, tapang lang. Kaya sinabi ni Coach, we focus on process, then sa skills, then, yun nga, if God will, may mga games pa naman, di patapos yung game. Yun lang.
Thank you so much to Milben. 8 of 16 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, and 2 digs. So right now at 3-6. Ano yung personally, ano yung iniisip mo right now para ma-improve yung laro mo? Especially na papalit pa tayong matapos ang elimination.
First is like mag-double kayo sa training kasi sabi nga ni Coach, anong gusto nyo? Maghirap sa training or maghirap sa laro? Siyempre, pipili ko maghirap sa training kasi kailangan mong i-challenge yung self mo dun, then dun mo din makikita yung mga mistakes mo and kailangan mo improve. So, pag na-conquer mo yung mga challenges na yun, maging madali yun sa game. So, yan naman always yung nasa mindset ko eh.
Thank you, Milben. Okay, the floor is open for
To Coach, 5-game losing streak before this win. Siguro ano na lang yung nakita mo yung dahilan for that and paano kayo nakabangon?
So, dun sa 5 losing streaks namin, there were mistakes that happened. But we don't regret it. We want those mistakes to happen. Yun din naman instruction sa kanila eh. They want to invest on learning right now. So, the more mistakes, I guess, then it will lead to more successful games. So, yun yung mga nangyari. May errors man, ang importante natuto sila dun and natuto sila paano bumawi.
To the players during that 5-game losing streak na what kept you going and how did you stick together lang throughout that losing streak?
I think, stay lang kami sa system namin. We focus for our weakness and we, practice din, execute.
And dito din matitest namin yung pagsasamahan sa isa't isa kahit nagka-talo-talo na. Pero ngayon, tinitraining namin yung self namin na mas maging buo sa mga tight situations and ayun, mas kailangan namin pagtiwalaan pa sobra yung mga skills namin at yung mga connections namin. Dapat hindi kami mag-away-away and still mag-help each other lang pa rin. Kahit yun na yung nangyayari sa amin. So, kailangan namin mas maging matapang.
Coach, yung next game nyo is Dasal on Sunday. So, you're also playing Dasal na after nung 0-4 start, tumaangat-angat na sa standing. So, can you say?
I mean, we never treat any teams kasi na ganun eh. Like, meron lang din silang sarili ng proseso. It's just that nakiwa nila siguro dun sa latter part ng season. But nonetheless, we are preparing for every team eh. So, no matter ano yung condition nila, no matter ano yung standing nila, we treat them as the UAP volleyball team na nag-represent doon sa school. So, we will treat the same. Ganun lang din. Magpahanda kami. Okay.
Congratulations, Coach Carlo, Milben, and Tommy.